Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2007 Stoughton that is a 36-foot 6 by 102. Folks, these are steel, spring ride, wood deck. As you can see, the beams have been cleaned up on this unit. We have brand new kingpin plates. And the other beautiful thing about this heavy built Stoughton, folks, is the heavy joist system that's been put underneath this unit. As you can see, these are on an 8-inch center. Nice heavy built trailer. This unit's been counterweighted for a Universal Mounting Kit on the back. Folks, these units come with brand new straps, refurb 225 rims. Tire condition is at 80% or better all the way around this trailer. As we come up underneath, folks, you can see we have brand new drums, brand new pads on all the brake system. All the plumbing has been gone through to verify no leaks, air leaks, etc. As we get to the back, you can see the Universal Mounting Kit will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. As you can see, the wood deck condition's in excellent shape. Any damage does get patched and replaced. As we come around to the driver's side, 225 refurbed rim, outer rim, excellent tire condition all the way around these units. This unit does have a brand new buyer's toolbox. Landing gear, all gears have been checked, made sure it's operational for up and down, ready to come work for you. This is Equipment Remarketing, and we want to thank you for your time. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Visit our website, 99lifts.com.